Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll show you how to use Face Unlock on your Android smartphones. If you have a newer version of Android phones or newer version of Pixel phones, you should have this feature. So I'm going to use a Pixel 8 Pro to demonstrate this feature. Before you try to apply it on your phone, just make sure that you have a face unlocking feature on your phone available. So the first thing you do, you're going to go to the settings just by going to the settings from right here, which is clicking on the settings button, and then here if you search for face, so just put in FACE and search. Now it's going to give you the face unlock result right here, and you can see that there's a face unlock and there are other options. So we'll just click on face unlock. Now it's just asking you to enter your pattern to unlock your phone, which will do. So now here is the face unlock screen, and I'm just going to click on here, and you can see that this is the option you're going to be dragging it to the right. The reason mine is already on, and that's why it's already right, but here require eyes to be open, which has to be on the right, and then always require confirmation. If that's what you want, you can just turn this on also, and also skip lock screen. You can also turn this on and off based on what you want. So once you turn this on, let's go back. So here, if you want to unlock your phone using your face or fingerprint, then here's the option, and verify if it's you in apps. This feature, what happens that you can even open apps which require password using face unlock if you check this on, and basically that's all you have to do. So for the next Android tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.